I'm here. I heard the drums from the road. It looks like the whole village is getting ready. It's incredible. I can already feel that this is a unique moment.
Yes, tonight is special. The Kumpo doesn't come out for just anyone. I'll take you where we can see everything, but without disturbing. You're going to feel the power of our tradition.
Amadou, that was truly incredible. It's as if I've entered a new world. A world I knew absolutely nothing about before tonight.
Yes, Claire, here. Every moment has a special meaning. What you've just experienced is only the beginning. But it's late. We can talk more about it tomorrow.
Amadou, I still have so many questions. That masked figure, the one dancing yesterday, what exactly does it represent?
What you saw, Claire, is the Kumpo. It's a sacred spirit among the Diola people, a symbol of protection and sometimes even a messenger. He never speaks with words, but every one of his movements tells a story. People respect him deeply because he's part of their ancestors.
And you, are you Diola then? I mean, I'm still trying to understand all the cultures here.
Yes, I am Diola. But you know, here in Casamance, we've always lived together. Yola volo fula mandinka.
Since I've been here, I often hear a word that keeps coming up in conversations. The Teranga. Can you really explain it to me?
Teranga, Claire, is a way of life. Even if someone doesn't have much, they always share what they have. That's what unites people here.
It's beautiful. I think I finally understand why everyone I've met here has been so kind and so patient with me since the very first day.
Claire, after all these explanations, I think you should maybe give something to the one who spoke to you with such patience today.
Oh, really? What do you want? A huge plate of homemade fish and rice with all the local flavors served hot?
No, better than that. I just want you to install WhatsApp on my phone. That way, I'll finally be able to send you messages.
It's a deal. Let me explain to you in detail how it works. No stress.
Step 1. Unlock your phone. Once on the home screen, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp Messenger, then tap Install. Wait while the app downloads and installs. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. Choose your language if prompted, then tap Agree and Continue. Enter your phone number, making sure the selected country is correct. Tap Next to verify your number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS, and once the number is verified, your WhatsApp account is now created and ready to use.
You know, it might seem very simple. Now you'll be able to communicate more easily, stay connected with the people you love, and with me too.
Thank you, really. You don't realize just how happy this makes me. It's simple for you, but for me, it's a whole new world opening up.
There, it's all finished. Now you can send me messages. But watch out, no messages every 5 minutes, okay?
I promise, Claire, just a quick hello, nothing more. Or if I have something special to tell you, but nothing more. Claire, what are you doing tomorrow? If you're free, I could show you the islands. We can go on a small boat. Over there, it's yet another world where nature speaks the loudest.
The islands? Seriously, well, you know what? I'm more than up for it. I'm really looking forward to discovering those places. It's going to be incredible. I can already feel it.